First, we will discuss regarding about yesterday's question paper. Right, students? First question number 136. Inspiration of man occurs when intrapulmonary pressure is equal to atmospheric pressure, higher than atmospheric pressure, less than atmospheric pressure, positive pressure in lungs. Inspiration of man occurs
less than atmosphere.
More pressure is required, less pressure is required for inspiration, students.
Less pressure is required.
Less pressure is required.
The atmosphere, intrapulmonary pressure, inside of the lungs, the pressure is always decreases less. Then only the process of inspiration takes place. Less than atmospheric pressure. Option number 3. So positive pressure given in lungs, positive pressure is required or negative pressure?
Negative
pressure.
Should be created.
Negative pressure.
Yes, negative pressure should be created. So what is answer? Less than atmospheric pressure. By what less than atmospheric pressure is created, students?
Contraction of diaphragm and EICM.
Very good. Contraction of diaphragm and EICM.
EICM.
Pressure gradient. EICM. External intercostal muscles. Correct. Next. True with reference to expiration is. You need to identify the correct statement. Increase in pulmonary volume decreases intrapulmonary pressure. Is it correct, students? Pulmonary volume is increases, then intrapulmonary pressure is decreases. Is it correct, students, in expiration? Intrapulmonary pressure is decreases given.
No, sir.
Wrong, sir. Wrong.
Obviously. Why? Because increase in pulmonary volume. So expiration, whatever the pulmonary pressure is need to be increases. Exit, pulmonary air exit from lungs to atmosphere. Right? So volume of lungs is need to be increases, but decreases given, that is wrong. Increase in pulmonary volume increases the intrapulmonary pressure. Volume is increases, pressure is increases. Is it correct statement, students?
No, sir. Wrong.
No, sir.
That is also wrong. In case volume is decreases, then only pressure is increases. Go through the third statement. Decreases the thoracic volume, decreases the intrapulmonary pressure given.
No, sir.
No, sir. Increase.
Increases. Yes. So that third statement also wrong. Go to the fourth statement, students. Decreases in thoracic volume, slightly increases the intrapulmonary pressure. Is it correct or not, students? Fourth statement.
Correct, sir.
Right. Decreases in thoracic volume, slightly increases the intrapulmonary pressure. In case intrapulmonary pressure is increases, then only atmosphere low pressure, inside the lungs high pressure, air will exit from high to low. Expiration is takes place. Option number 4 correct. They are asking true statement or wrong statement, students? True only they are. So option number 4 correct. Next one. Identify the sequence of steps involved during inspiration in humans. Sequence of steps in inspiration. During inspiration, what happens? What is first step, student?
Contraction of diaphragm.
Contract
given?
diaphragm.
Diaphragm becomes flat. Dome to flat. Dome to flat means contraction of diaphragm. So like this type of questions given means read all the statements and allot numbers. Allot numbers to the statements, then match with answer. You can get the answer. Right, students? Next one. Next, whenever diaphragm is going to be contracted, then what happens, students? Volume of thoracic cavity is going to be increases. Right, good. Next one. Contraction of external intercostal muscles moves the rib cage is going to be forward. By what, students? By the contraction of what? Contraction
External
of
intercostal muscle.
intercostal muscles. Finally, what happens? Thoracic cavity expands, withdrawing air into lungs. So C, first one C, second statement A, third statement B, fourth one D. C,
Second one, G, sir.
A, B, D. Option number, students? Option
Sir,
right.
sir, after the A will take place, no, sir.
What, students?
Sir, after B event, the A will take place, no, sir, in the question.
Yes, Tanisha, what you are asking? After events.
Sir, after event B, A will take place, no, sir, in the question.
After diaphragm becomes flat. Okay. Next, what happens? Contraction of EICM.
Yes.
Contraction of EICM. Contraction of EICM given or not given? Next. Contraction of external intercostal muscles moves the rib cage forward. Ah, yes, very good. That is
Given,
second. That is second.
sir. First option.
When rib cage forward, next volume of thoracic cavity increases. Right? Rib cage forward, then volume of thoracic cavity increases. Finally, thoracic cavity expands, air withdrawn into lungs. Right? That sequence is correct. First one C, second one B, third one is A, and fourth one what, students? Finally, expansion of means thoracic cavity expands, withdrawing air into lungs. Option number 1 correct. Right. Next one. Bronchi and initial bronchioles of man are supported by which shape it is, students?
C-shaped ring.
Incomplete cartilaginous.
Incomplete
C-shaped
cartilaginous rings.
C-shaped rings are supported. So incomplete cartilaginous rings. That is C-shaped. Up to where it is presented, these are bronchi and initial bronchioles only. Terminal bronchioles do not have a C-shaped cartilaginous rings.
Sir,
Because
from trachea to no, sir.
obviously, bronchi is nothing but branch of trachea only. Bronchi,
Yes.
left and right bronchi is branch of trachea. Okay, wherever the respiration takes place in that region, the incomplete C-shaped rings are not takes place. Respiration is nothing but gases exchange. So these are all conducting part. Clear, students? So what is answer? Incomplete cartilaginous rings. Question number 140. Trachea divides into bronchi at the level of atlas,
Fifth thoracic vertebrae.
seventh vertebrae, and fifth thoracic vertebrae. So what is answer? At the fifth thoracic vertebrae. At fifth thoracic vertebrae, the trachea is divided into bronchi. Right bronchi enter into right lung. Left bronchi enter into left lung. Right, students? Option number 4. So next question, a healthy man can inhale or exhale how much amount of air per minute approximately? How much amount of air
6,000 to 8,000.
in one breath? How much, students?
500 ml.
500
ml.
500 ml.
That is what PV, tidal volume. In one breath, 500 ml.
Yes,
Per minute, how many breaths are there, students?
6,000 to 8,000 ml.
Per minute, number is
12 to 16.
8,000.
500, 12 to 16.
12 to 16.
That is 8,000 ml. In this type of the question, you need to read the question properly because why? Because they are asking for one breath or they are asking for per 1 minute. You need to check and get the answer. Right, students? Okay. Next one. Vital capacity is represented as VC is equal to, what is vital capacity, students? TV plus IRV plus ERV. IRV plus TV plus ERV. Vital capacity. What is the value of vital capacity, students? Value.
4000.
What is the value, students?
4000 ml.
4000 ml.
4000
ml, sir.
4000 ml.
How much? 500 plus IRV. How much, students?
2500.
2500.
2500.
Students. 2500. ERV. How much, students? ERV.
1500.
1000.
1000.
1100. Right? Okay. How much it is? 4600.
Yes, sir.
3500. 3600. Right? So that is vital capacity. Right, students? One more formula for vital capacity. Anybody?
IC plus ERV.
IC plus
ERV.
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 IC plus ERV.
For vital capacity, IC plus ERV. Right. Next one, students. Identify the labeling, correct labeling. What is A?
Epiglottis.
A is epiglottis. B,
Larynx.
larynx box. What about C? C, students.
Trachea.
Trachea.
D,
Bronchi.
bronchus. Next, E,
Bronchiole.
F,
Sir, E alveoli. No, sir. E is alveoli.
E alveoli, then F. Unable to identify here. Very small question.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
What given, students? Open NCERT answer.
So, but in the exam, while writing the exam, we didn't get the diagram, sir.
While writing the exam,
Yes, sir. Get the diagram, sir.
The diagram,
Given in the exam.
no, sir, the diagram was not given.
Yes, sir. We did need diagram, sir.
diagram not given. Okay, I given grace mark for this. Why? Because diagram is not there means obviously it is grace only. But once you go through the NCERT diagram, students, the terminal end, the bulb-like structures, those are alveoli, and the branches are branchioles. In the NCERT test.
Sir, F is alveoli. F is alveoli then.
Yes, yes. F alveoli and E is
E
branchiole.
bronchial.
Yes. So what is the answer, students?
Second option, sir.
Option
Second
number 2. Right. A epiglottis and B is larynx and C is trachea and D bronchus and E branchiole, F alveoli. Option number 2 correct. Okay. Next. The additional volume of a person can expires by forcible expiration is called.
Option 2, ERV, sir.
Second option.
By
ERV.
additional volume of air enters in the lungs is called. A person is inhaled. A person is
Respiratory reserve volume.
exhale. That is ERV, expiratory reserve volume. What is the value of expiratory reserve volume, students?
1000 to 1100 ml.
1000 to 1100.
1000 to
1000 to 1100, sir.
1000 to
1000 to 1100 ml. Right. Next question number 145. IC equals to what is the formula of IC?
PV plus IRV.
TV.
IC equals to TV plus IRV. EC equals to EC.
TV plus ERV.
PV plus ERV.
TV plus ERV. Next FRC.
ERV plus RV.
ERV plus RV.
Next VC.
EC plus IRV.
EC plus IRV.
VC. EC plus IRV. Right. TLC,
RV plus VC.
RV plus VC, sir.
VC plus RV. Right. 35412. 35412. Option
1, sir.
option number 1. Next question. Question number 146. As the muscles of diaphragm and external intercostal muscles of man contract, which of the following occurs? As the muscles of diaphragm and EICM of man contracts. So diaphragm and EICM, both are contraction means which type of respiration is takes place?
Normal inspiration.
Forceful expiration.
Inspiration, right. In inspiration, what happens? Diaphragm becomes dome shape given. Is it clear?
No, sir.
No, sir. Flattened shape it will be.
Pressure inside lungs decreases given. Is it clear, students? Is it correct, students? Pressure inside lungs decreases. Intrapulmonary pressure low.
Yes, sir. Correct, sir.
Yes, sir. Correct, sir.
Compare with atmosphere. Inside the lungs low pressure, so that only inhalation is possible. Yes. Next, volume of thoracic cavity decreases given.
Increases, sir.
Thoracic cavity increases in inspiration. That is also wrong. Air moves out of lungs given.
Air moves into the lungs.
Into the lungs. Very good. Option number 2 correct. They are asking correct or incorrect?
Correct option.
Which of the following occurs? Occurs means option number 2. Pressure inside the lungs decreases. In the brackets, write down high to low. High to low. High in atmosphere, low in lungs. Right, next question, students. Question number 147. Inspiration is initiated by the contraction of.
Diaphragm.
Inspiration is initiated by the contraction.
Diaphragm.
Internal intercostal muscles, diaphragm, and both 1 and 3.
Both 1 and 3, sir.
Diaphragm.
Sir, only diaphragm, sir.
Diaphragm, sir.
Initiated by diaphragm.
Started by initiated. First step, what, students?
Diaphragm.
Contraction of diaphragm.
Contraction of diaphragm.
Diaphragm. When after that, EICM is going to be contracted. Initiated by the contraction of diaphragm only. NCERT line, direct line. Initiated.
Sir, but answer key is given wrong. Sir, in answer key it's given wrong.
Yes, sir.
In answer it is corrected. Sir, it is correct.
Question number 143, grace given. For this also I change. Okay, no need to worry. Next question number 148. The volume of air inspired or expired during normal respiration by a person is called.
Tidal volume.
During normal inspiration and normal expiration occurs by tidal volume, TB. Right, students? What is the value of TB?
500 ml.
100 ml. Per minute they will ask, then only 6,000 to 8,000.
6,000 to 8,000.
Oh, right. Next one. Total volume of air accommodated in the lungs of a man at the end of forced inspiration is called.
Total capacity.
The total volume of air accommodated in lungs, presented in the lungs of a man at the end of forced inspiration.
TLC, sir.
This is the forced inspiration point maximum. Right, students? How much amount of air presented in the lungs? The total amount of air accommodated in the lungs means IRV plus TV plus ERV plus RVR. This is what, students? It's completely
TLC.
Total lung capacity.
total lung capacity. Air presented in the lungs, accommodated in the lungs means PLC. So how much air a person is able to exhale in this point means that is what
VC.
air a person is going to be exhale at this point. How much?
VC.
Very good. That is BC because VC is equal to PLC minus RV. RV a person cannot able to exhale. Are you understand or not? Students? So here answer is TLC. Next question number 150. Match the following with correct combinations.
Third option, sir.
Sponges. Same question repeated, right? Sponges, entire
Body surface.
Body surface.
A2, sir. Directly we can say.
moist cuticle. Yes, insects, tracheal tubes, aquatic arthropods, gills. Option number, students?
3, sir.
2, 3, 4, 1. Right. Option number 3. Next question number 151. The pressure gradient between the lungs and atmosphere is generated by. Pressure gradient means what, students? Pressure gradient.
Difference.
Difference.
Pressure
Diaphragm and
gradient
external intercostal muscles.
between the lungs and atmosphere is generated by diaphragm, external intercostal muscles,
EICM and diaphragm.
and ribs. Students,
Diaphragm and EICM.
diaphragm and EICM. Right, students? Diaphragm and external intercostal muscles and internal intercostal muscles and ribs also. All are correct. They are not asking for normal respiration or normal expiration or forcible. They are asked.
Yes,
No,
sir.
no.
Where?
All of this, sir.
Not mentioned, so that only all of this. In case they mention normal expiration or normal expiration, forcible expiration or forcible expiration, then you need to take the intercostal muscles, external and internal. Is it clear, students all?
Clear.
Right. Next question number 152. Question number 152. Muscles that contract during forcible expiration or muscles that contract during forcible expiration. That I
Abdominal
explained.
muscles and IAC.
C and D, sir.
C and D. Very good. What is C? Internal
Internal intercostal muscles and
Abdomen.
and abdominal muscles. During forcible expiration, IACM will help and abdominal will help. Both are also going to be contract, so that only forcible expiration takes place. Opposite. Whenever normal expiration, normal inspiration, opposite the forcible. But in the forcible, what are added? What will add? Internal intercostal will add, and what will participate? Abdominal muscles. Next, question number 153, students. Inspiratory capacity of a healthy man is
3000 to 3500.
inspiratory capacity. IC is equal to, what is the formula, students? IC formula.
PV plus IRV.
Yes, students, what is the formula?
PV plus IRV, sir.
Only away. What about remaining persons are not
TV
responsible?
plus
TV
IR.
plus IRV, sir.
Very good, right. So TV plus IR. What is the value of TV?
500 ml.
500 ml.
500 ml.
IC is equal to TV plus IRV. What is the value of TV? 500 ml. What is the value of IRV?
2500.
3000 to 3500 ml. So minimum and maximum also you need to consider, right? Option number 2. Next question number 154. FRC, functional residual capacity, FRC, inspiratory reserve volume, IRV, vital capacity, VC, expiratory reserve volume, ERV, and reserve volume, residual volume, RV. What is the value of FRC, students? FRC formula?
ERV plus RV.
ERV plus RV.
ERV plus RV. FRC is equal to ERV plus RV. FRC, ERV plus RV. Next one, what given, students? Inspiratory reserve volume, direct. IRV, direct value only. Right. Next, vital capacity given. VC is equal to, what is the formula for VC?
PV plus
ERV plus TV plus IRV.
IC plus ERV, you can take
IC plus ERV.
Right. Next one, RV. ERV.
ERV also there, sir.
Which one? IRV.
ERV, expiratory reserve volume also there.
Expiratory reserve volume also there. Okay, ERV. Right, students. FRC. What is the value of ERV?
1000 to 1100.
What is the value of IRV?
1000.
2200 or 2300. So IRV value direct take it. What is the value of IRV? 2500. VC, IC plus ERV. So you don't know the value of IC, then go for IRV plus TD plus ERV. How much it is? 2500 plus 500 plus 1001. RV, that value.
4600, sir.
4600. So ERV, how much students? ERV 1100 or 1000. So what is answer, students? Option.
First option, sir.
First option is it correct? 35614. Functional residual capacity 2100 to 2300. Right. IRV 2500 to 3000 IRV. Next VC. Vital capacity, that is 4600 ml VC. Next, RV, what's the value of RV? 4, that is 1100 to 1200. Right, students? Option number 1. Next, question number 155. Volume of air remaining in the lungs even after a forcible expiration is called?
RV.
RV.
The minimum volume of air remaining in the lungs after forcible expiration. In the lungs, the person unable to exhale the air. How much percentage? That is, minimum air is remaining in the lungs is called residual volume. RV. What is the value of RV, students?
1100 to 1200.
1100 to 1200, sir.
1100 to 1200. Right. Next, question number 156. Lung alveoli of mammals have a thin wall.
Simple squamous epithelium, sir.
Simple squamous epithelium.
Alveoli composed of simple squamous epithelium. Blood vessels composed of blood vessels lined by
Mesothelium. Mesothelium.
endothelium. Form of endothelium. Right, students? Okay. Simple squamous epithelium. What purpose simple squamous epithelium in the alveoli? What's the function?
Simple diffusion.
Diffusion, sir.
Simple diffusion.
Gases diffusion. Right. Go to the question number 157, students. The expiratory reserve volume of a healthy person is ERV. What is the value of ERV? I want to discuss.
1000.
1000.
1100. Right. There is PO2 and PCO2 values. You need to find out the value of PO2 and PCO2. Question number 158. Atmospheric air, alveoli, deoxygenated blood, oxygenated blood, and tissue. In
Sir,
atmosphere,
fourth option, sir.
the value of PO2, students, atmosphere, PO2.
159.
159.
PCO2,
0.3.
what is the value of PO2 in alveoli?
104.
104.
Of PCO2 in alveoli?
40.
45.
What is
40, sir.
40, sir.
deoxygenated PO2?
45.
40.
Deoxygenated blood PO2?
PO2 40.
45.
40, sir. 40.
What about the PCO2?
45.
Oxygenated PO2?
95. 95.
85.
PCO2 already mentioned 40.
40.
40.
Tissues and deoxygenated blood same.
Yes.
40.
F is
Fourth option, sir.
Fourth option correct. What happens here, like this type of the questions, most of the persons will do correct answer, right? Whenever you match with answer, Then while bubbling, they done the mistake. They did the mistake. Right, students?
Yes.
So that only match with the answer. The matching also most important. This much hard work you did. So why lazy while the bubbling? So take care about while you are getting bubbling, manual OMR sheet while bubbling, the most important. Instead of third option, fourth option, any other option you kept, then wrong. Okay, students? Right. So that only you should be very conscious is required while doing the bubbling the OMRs. Right, students? Next, question number 159. By how many times the solubility of carbon dioxide is higher than that of oxygen? How much times,
20 to
students?
25
20
times.
to 25 times.
25 times.
25 times
20 to 25 times.
20
sir.
25 times.
oxygen. Next, question number 160. What is the value of PO2 in deoxygenated blood minus PCO2? What is the value of
Minus
PO2?
5, sir.
Minus 5, sir.
What is the value?
40, sir.
What is the value of PO2 in deoxygenated
40.
40.
blood?
Water.
Value of PO2 is equal to 40 and 30. Right. Next, PCO2 value how much, students? PCO2
45.
45. What asked? PO2 minus PCO2.
Minus.
Minus 5.
5.
45.
Minus 5.
5. The value is minus 5. Is it clear, students? Option 2. Next. Right? Next one. See, students, maybe somebody didn't get the answer, so that I am explaining on the board. Okay? Those who get immediately they will get the answer, there is no problem. But for somebody's, I am explaining on the board. Okay? No need to worry regarding about this. Next question number 161. Besides RBC, blood plasma also carries oxygen in a dissolved state. The percentage is
3%.
besides RBC, the blood plasma also carries oxygen in dissolved state. How much, students?
3%.
3%. sir.
Very good. Oxygen is going to be transported in the form of oxyhemoglobin in the region of RBC. So RBC how much? 97%. Through plasma, how much percent?
3%.
3%.
Through plasma, 3% only. Oxygen transportation. Right, students? Okay. Next one. The most carbon dioxide is transported in the body is in the
Bicarbonate.
Carbonate.
Bicarbonate.
Bicarbonate.
How much percentage, students? CO2?
70%.
70% bicarbonate.
70%.
CO3 minus 20 to 25% in the form of carbo,
Amino
Hemoglobin.
hemoglobin, carbo, amino, hemoglobin. So what about remaining 7% in the form of
Blood plasma. Dissolved state.
plasma.
these are in the blood plasma. Is it clear? Right. So what is the answer? This bicarbonates in the bracket.
Bicarbonate.
Percentage write down. How much percentage? 70%.
70%.
70%.
Molecule of hemoglobin can carry the maximum molecules of oxygen. How many?
4, sir. 4.
4 molecules. Molecules of oxygen.
Yes, sir. 4 water gives rise to H2O2 4 oxyhemoglobin. Next question number 164, students. Oxygen binding to hemoglobin is directly proportional to carbon dioxide concentration, directly proportional to CO concentration, inversely proportional to carbon dioxide concentration, independent of carbon monoxide concentration. So remove the carbon monoxide here. Carbon monoxide is not a matter. So
Inversely
proportional
proportional.
to carbon dioxide concentration and inversely proportional to carbon dioxide concentration.
Inversely proportional, sir.
Why? Because what is the reason?
Sir, because when more CO2 is there, less oxygen is present, no, sir.
More CO2 is there, less oxygen is present, or less oxyhemoglobin is formed.
Oxyhemoglobin, sir. Oxyhemoglobin.
Formation of hemoglobin, low CO2 is required, low PCO2 is required. Right, students? In case
Yes.
more high CO2, then less oxyhemoglobin formation. then there is more PCO2, there is more oxyhemoglobin is formed. More PO2 is there, more oxyhemoglobin is formed.
Yes, sir.
So that only the alveoli and cells parameter are different. We discussed already, right, students? Inversely proportional to carbon dioxide concentration. One is increases, then another one is decreases. Right, next one. Question number 165. Carbonic anhydride is found in high concentration in where, students?
Erythrocytes.
Erythrocytes. RBC.
Erythrocyte.
Compare with plasma, erythrocytes, more carbonic anhydride. What's the function of carbonic anhydride, students?
Carbon
Function of
dioxide. Carbon
Production of H2O3.
It is a catalyst. For the reaction, it acts as a catalyst for formation of bicarbonate.
Yes, sir.
A catalyst for transportation of carbon dioxide. Catalyst means increases the rate of reaction, not involves. Not involves in the reaction, increases the rate of reaction. That is catalyst. Next, question number 166, students. Partial pressure of carbon dioxide in alveoli, atmospheric air, tissues will be. Partial pressure of PCO2 value in alveoli already.
40, 0.3, 45, sir.
Carbon dioxide in alveoli, how much, students?
40.
40.
Atmospheric air.
40.
0.3.
0.3, sir.
0.3. 0.3.
5. Tissues 45.
45.
Option
45. Option
2, sir. Option 2.
Question. Question number 167. Which of the following factors are favorable for the formation of oxyhemoglobin? What are favorable for formation of oxyhemoglobin? 4 conditions we discussed. What are favorable? What is 4 conditions for high
High PO2, low PCO2.
PCO2 is low, and
Temperature is low.
and excellent PO2 remaining all are low for favorable for formation of oxyhemoglobin. Right, students?
Yes, sir.
So,
A
here
and B only, sir.
A and B, option 2.
Option 2, A and B.
PO2, low PCO2. Is it correct? First one, A correct or not?
Correct, sir.
Next, B, less H plus concentration, low temperature. Is it correct or not?
Correct, sir.
Correct. Low PO2 given. Low PO2 means wrong. C wrong. High H plus given. High H plus also wrong. D wrong. A and B correct. Option number?
2.
2.
Next question number 168. Dissociate from carboamine hemoglobin when? Dissociate from carbohemoglobin when? Dissociates means cells or alveoli?
alveoli.
Alveoli.
Carbon dioxide detaches from hemoglobin in which region? In the region of alveoli.
PO2 is high, PCO2 is... Sir?
Alveoli, what are the conditions, students, in alveoli?
PO2.
PO2 is high. PO2 is high, sir.
PO2 is high, PCO2 is low.
Low. Second option.
Option number 2. Which are favorable for oxygen? Those are unfavorable for carbon dioxide. Okay. So next one, question number 169. Identify the correct diagram about the exchange of the gases. Right. Go through the diagram, students. So here what happens? Pulmonary artery from right atrium of heart. Is it correct? Pulmonary artery, we discussed. Pulmonary artery means what? Pulmonary artery carries
Deoxygenated blood.
Deoxygenated.
from where to where? Right ventricle to heart, right ventricle to lungs. So that is wrong. Go through the second option, second diagram. Pulmonary artery from right ventricle of heart. Is it correct?
Correct.
Correct. And delivers carbon dioxide into where?
Blood.
Delivers carbon dioxide into alveoli. And this is what?
Carbon dioxide into... Yes, sir.
Gases exchanges takes place. Intercheck it. Gases exchange delivers carbon dioxide and
Makes oxygen.
receives oxygen, binds oxyhemoglobin, makes oxyhemoglobin, and to left atrium of the heart given. Is it correct, students?
Correct,
Left
sir.
atrium receives left atrium receives
Left atrium only, sir.
Right. So see here,
Second option.
option number 2 correct. Okay. So this is blood vessel, right? So what given here? Pulmonary artery from right ventricle. Pulmonary artery from right ventricle. Right ventricle. Which blood, student, this is? Oxygenated or deoxygenated blood?
Deoxygenated.
Deoxygenated blood, sir.
Right, enters into the region of the lungs, and here what is happening? Carbon dioxide is exited, and what is binds?
Oxygen.
Alveoli. This one is alveoli. So here diffusion is takes place, gases exchange takes place. Next step, through pulmonary vein, which blood enters into which blood enters into left portion of left atrium of the heart?
Oxygenated blood.
It is oxygenated blood. Oxygenated blood received by left atrium of the heart. Right, students, option number 2 is correct. Next. Question number 170. Which of the following factors affect the rate of diffusion? We discussed already. Pressure gradient is required or not?
Option 3, sir.
Concentration is also required.
Required, sir.
Required reactivity of the gases is not required. And thickness of membranes involved in diffusion, obviously. And our thickness increases in case the rate of gases exchanges decreases. Right, students? Except D, remaining all are correct. A, B, C, and E. A, B, C, and E. Option number 3 correct. Question number 171, students. In the alveoli, the factors favorable for the formation of oxyhemoglobin, no one will discuss. Factors favorable for oxyhemoglobin. Low PO2, is it correct?
No, sir.
No, sir. High.
No.
High PO2.
Correct. Low PCO2, correct or not?
Yes, sir. Correct, sir.
Correct, sir.
High PCO2,
Wrong,
No, sir.
wrong.
Wrong, sir.
Low temperature,
Correct, sir.
Correct, sir.
Correct, sir.
low temperature,
No, sir.
wrong. Low pH,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
low
High
pH,
pH, sir.
High
pH.
Wrong, sir.
IPS, sir.
low is high H plus, that is wrong. High pH,
Correct, sir.
Correct, sir.
sir.
so B, C,
Fourth option, sir.
E,
Option B, sir.
Option 4 correct. Right. Next one, question number 172, students. The given figure in the is the blood circulation in humans. Identify the labeling. What is A, students? A.
Body.
Body
Body
part.
parts.
A, body parts. B, do the labeling. What's B? Pulmonary.
Artery.
Pulmonary artery. What is C?
Lungs.
Lungs, alveoli. What is E? Pulmonary
E. Pulmonary vein.
veins. F,
Dorsal aorta.
systemic aorta or dorsal aorta. D,
Vena cava.
Vena cava.
D, vena cava. Right. So match with the answer, students. Option number
Option 2, sir.
Option 2, sir.
A, body parts. B, pulmonary artery. C, lungs. And D, vena cava. E, pulmonary vein. And dorsal aorta. Option number 3. Next question. The blood received by the lungs consists of oxygen, partial pressure of. Blood received by the lungs. Blood received by the lungs means which blood? Deoxygenated or oxygenated?
DOB, sir.
Deoxygenated. What is the value of PO2?
40.
40.
40.
Right. Option number 2. Inspiratory capacity of healthy man is IC value. Inspiratory capacity value.
3000 ml.
3000 to 3500 ml.
IC equals to what? IRV plus T. 3000 to 3500 ml. Question number 175. Amount of air exchanged in breathing can be measured with the
Spirometer.
Pyrometer.
Next question number 176. On average, a healthy human being breathes how many times in 30 minutes?
360 to
360 to 480 times.
Option C.
360 to 480 times.
Option C, sir.
In one breath 500 ml per minute, how many students? 12 to 30.
30.
12 to 16.
30 minutes asked. 30 minutes. Per 1 minute 12 to 16 times. 30 minutes means 30 into 12 to 30
360.
60. How much it is?
360 to 480 times, sir.
360 to 480, sir.
Into 480. 360 into 360 to 480. Right, students? How much it is answer?
Option 3, sir.
480 times. Option number 3. Next, vocal cords of a man are located in which region?
Larynx.
Larynx.
Voice box. Question number 178. What is another name for the windpipe?
Trachea.
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 Option A.
Students, what is A? A. A trachea. Question number 179. A trachea. B.
A trachea.
Pleural membrane.
B is pleural membrane. What is C?
Alveoli.
Alveoli. So according to the given labeling, you need to match the answer, match the statements. First one, A trachea, long tube supported by complete cartilage is given. Is it correct, students? Complete.
No, sir. Wrong.
No, sir. Incomplete.
No, sir. Incomplete.
Pleural membrane surround ribs on both sides to provide cushion agent W. Is it correct?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
C. Alveoli, thin-walled vascular bag-like structure for exchange of gases. Is it correct?
Correct, sir.
Sir, correct, sir.
Correct, sir.
Correct. Right. Next one. Question number 180. Features of anaerobic respiration is anaerobic means more oxygen or less oxygen?
Less oxygen.
Less oxygen.
Less oxygen or completely oxygen is absence. So
Absence
less
of oxygen.
energy or high
Less
yield of
oxygen.
oxygen?
Less yield of
Less
energy.
yield of energy.
Less
The field of energy, sir.
Right? Option number 3. Okay. So how many students got out in zoology? 45 out. 45. Very good, Murali Swami. Good job done. Next, only Murali Swami. One question wrong. Brahmara, one question wrong. Which question, Brahmara?
So 176. Sir, actually, I didn't read the question only. Simply average healthy, okay, 12 to 16. Just mark the option.
Simply read it. Okay, simply also wrong only. No?
Yes, sir.
Right, okay. Next, one question only, Brahmara. 2 questions. Tanisha, 2 questions. Shah Fahad, 2 questions. Which questions, Tanisha?
So 168 and 171, sir.
171. 171 wrong. Why?
I did not read PH, sir. Sir,
Not
I'm
clear.
confident, sir.
Okay, easy question only. Right. Next, 168.
Yes, sir.
Why, Tanisha, 168? What written answer? What option you kept?
Option A I have written, sir.
PCO2 is high, PO2 is low. Confused?
Yes, sir.
1000 times we discussed all the parameters. Read the questions properly, okay? Unnecessarily done mistake for this, okay?
Silly mistake.
Shah Fahad. Yes, Shah Fahad, which questions, man? You done
Sir,
this?
171 and 147, sir.
171. Next. You also done same. Next, 140.
138, sir.
138.
First option 1 है marked, sir.
138. Okay. Right. Minu HM, 2 questions wrong. Minu HM, tell me which question is wrong?
Sir, 171 and 164.
For you also 171.
Yes, sir.
Okay, 164. 164 what written? Option 2 written.
Yes, sir. Option 2.
How directly proportional it is?
Sir, while marking, I got confused that one.
Okay. Okay, do one thing, students. Whatever you did the mistakes, with explanation clearly and neatly write down. Okay, in error books. Next time, whenever they go this question, same question repeat, there is no chance for mistake. Okay, students. In next class, remaining the regulation of respiratory system and disorders we will discuss. After that, we will start circulatory system. Okay, thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.